Namaste, hello friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Nayan Mahajan Yoga. So today I am going to make you aware of few mistakes which people are doing generally when they stretch their hamstring or they open their hamstring. So basically I have seen or I will show you here few stretches which people are doing. Even I have seen in the gym, in some yoga centers, like when I go for jogging, after finish the jogging, how people do these mistakes, even in the garden and all that. So because of this mistake, the impact is coming on the lower back and they face major lower back issue. Okay, so I am going to show you that few stretches, and if possible or if you are doing that way to stretch your hamstring, just stop for some time, because in next video I am going to show you how to safely you can stretch or open your hamstring without injuring or without involving your back there. Okay, so now I'm already sitting on the chair, so I will show you one stretch while sitting on the chair. Okay, so I'm going to show you sideways. So like, okay, okay, so some people like stretch the leg, they sit on the chair and they go like this. Okay, so here if you see, your back is completely round. Okay, and in this the impact is coming on your lower back. Okay, so if you are not flexible and if you go to open your hamstring like this will more pressure on the lower back and the chances of injury is very high. Okay, now I will show you the second one. Okay, so I stand sideways so you can like see. The second way people stretch their hamstring like this. Now here also you will see my back is completely rounded. So in this position, if you are stretching your hamstring, some people I saw like they do like this. Okay, so this is again impacting on the lower back. This will also injure your back for big time. And in this also some people are doing little advanced level. So where they do like this. Okay, this way. Back is again rounded. So here the pressure on the lower back is again very high. So in this also like people do like this, which will again create the injury. The fourth one I will show you. Okay, this way. Again the back is rounded and they go for the hamstring stretch. In this again load is coming on your lower back, and in that what happens, suppose like somebody like your partner is there or somebody is helping you out, or if some trainer is helping you out, what they do, so I will get my own trainer, so just for the demo. Okay, come, and you have to push my back. Okay, so push my back. So see again in this pressure is on your lower back, and like trainer is trying his best that you can reach down and you can open your hamstring, but again impact is coming on the lower back, and here again chances of getting injury is very high. So thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so if you are doing this kind of stretches to open your hamstring or stretch your hamstring, then I think stop for some time, because in my next video I am going to show you how to open your hamstring safely without putting pressure on the lower back and without any kind of injury. Okay, so if you like this video, please share it and please subscribe my channel Nayan Mahajan Yoga. Thank you and namaste.